So I just got this mirror that I've been waiting for, and we're gonna open it together. This is basically it, and this is the back part. It has the name on the back part. And you might be wondering why I asked for this one specifically. I've had a lot of mirrors in the past and they all break, so I'm not dealing with that anymore. This mirror, you can use it for your shower or for your vanity, or even if you have a salon, for people to look at themselves after you're done with your service. Plus, it brings this rubber part in here that's non-slippable, so if you want to put it somewhere, it's not gonna fall. And even if you're not sure if you want to use this part because you don't want to take the risk of it breaking, you can use this part to hang it anywhere and it's gonna work just fine. Plus, the mirror is high temper glass, so literally it's really hard, almost impossible for you to break it. So it's supposed to last really long. Plus, it's supposed to help you not buy one mirror every month. Plus, the mirror is high quality, so it's real, so it's not gonna make your face bigger or smaller. You're not gonna look like you're far away or too close. You're gonna see just fine. It's not gonna be like blurry, so that's a must-have. But I'm gonna step on it just for you to see that it's actually unbreakable. I walked on top of it, I sat down on it, and it's still good. It's just dirty because of my shoe and everything, but I'm gonna clean it and that's it. But literally that was it. If you're looking for any mirror that's literally unbreakable, this will be it and you will love it.